True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm in the St. Elizabeth area, one place I'm calling Newtown. I was supposed to give an update on this town, and today is 5th of March. Yes, so this is what the Newtown area look like in the Black River area, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man. So guys, thank you all for stopping by onto the channel. This is your tour guide Fire Reid. Show you a lot of different places in Jamaica, in St. Elizabeth. One of my most area that I do the most videos. So big up anyone I watch from here, and they can big up on yourself, and always feel free to ask any question on this channel, and also feel free to take a tour to the St. Elizabeth area. Yes, my beautiful people, and this is our parish of St. Elizabeth. So yeah man, indicate where you're watching from, where you're watching from. Yeah man, I'm talking to you. I know say you watch a video here, where you're watching from. Yeah man, so big up all the Canadian people, them England, USA, Antigua, Bahamas, big up for yourself. Anyone I watch from, you know? You know, sir, never toured a street here today. Never really toured a street here yet. I really see no name on the street here still, but a Newtown, the Newtown area, but they still. So I don't understand. If you see a house or you know that place here, leave in the comment section. I know I don't really know now here, so like come Newtown already, but you see me at that street here, so I go up on the street and the people. You see how you can see the damage of Melissa do on this area. Yeah man. So you know I'm very close to the vocational training center in the Black River area. I think I'm on Garden Avenue and I see Mountain View Avenue. So I see where a lot of signs. So if you know this area, you know what I'm talking about. But a Black River, them always call it so the Newtown area. Yeah man. Tell the people about the house that we see off here, so I don't know now man. Yeah man, so I'm just showing that section here in Newtown. So kind of a different section, so this will be like a part one of the video. So they can know what I'm going. As I said before, it's my first time I'm traveling this street. Yeah, I see we have an apartment around here. I know say Fire Reid not afraid to drive. Yeah, some people say, yeah man, they show the people them bush or something, but some people still how to get around, you have to know a certain place before you can reach a location, you know? Yeah, so I sure know what I go on here. Another house stop here, one of the house stop here calling the people. Wow. So yes guys, you know, so we are taking them back on the main road now, so you have an understanding how the video. Yes, I'm heading back to the main to take you back to, you know, the new town area, the heart of new town. So guys, thank you all for watching the channel, True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid.